Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the iQIYI application. To change your profile picture on iQIYI, first of all, open up the iQIYI app on your mobile device and then make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Now, click on your profile picture at the top left. In the profile image section, tap on your profile icon once again and then click on either camera and take a picture of yourself right now, or tap on album to get to your device's camera roll. Once you allow access to your camera roll to iQIYI, go ahead and select a picture from your device's camera roll and then adjust the image according to your preference within the frame and click on choose at the bottom right. Right after you do that, you will notice that you have uploaded your profile picture. Click on Save at the top right. And that's how you can easily change your profile picture in iQIYI application. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more iQIYI tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.